guys, what are we gonna do today?
Today, science experiment. What is it? It is about the reaction equation. How do we do it?
Okay, so first of all, put 3 tablespoons of baking soda inside the balloon. Then put 3 tablespoons of vinegar inside the airline beer. After we wrap the balloon, then lift it up low.
It's Doraemon. It's blowing.
In this experiment, the baking soda and the vinegar react and emit a carbon dioxide.
Oh, it's cold. Really? Why is it cold? It's cold because of the heat is released in this reaction experiment.
Wow, it's crazy. Shall we move to the next experiment?
Yay!